Hi guys, welcome back. This is Mary with Israel. This is a Plan With Me video on my iPad. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to my channel for digital planning, tutorials, tips, and tricks. Each month I'll show you how I use my digital planners, and everything I use will be linked for you below. Every day I start and end my day with an entry in my gratitude journal. This practice has really helped me stay grounded and positive. My digital notebooks have different page templates, and this is one of them. So I just copy and paste this page and use it every day. I find it to be really helpful when I'm planning to have my planner on one side and my sticker book open on the next side. The sticker book that I created fits perfectly into the split screen view of the iPad, and it makes it super easy to see and use all my favorite stickers while I'm planning. At the beginning of each month, I set 2 goals for myself. Since I'm officially homeschooling the kids full-time this year, one of my goals is to create a great homeschool routine that is really fun and engaging for them. My second big goal this month is to create a digital planner for the shop. I've created digital notebooks with undated calendar pages, but I really want to create a planner with some dated calendars to help make planning easier. September is going to be a really fun month, especially because school is starting. Luckily, it's starting later than most school starts. They're actually starting mid-September, but we have school starting, and then we have some birthday celebrations. We have a vacation to go visit family, which we're really excited about because we're also going to stop off at some really fun places like Yosemite and camp there. And then, of course, at the end of the month is the launch of my planner. glimpse at what I am planning for homeschool each week this month. I plan to try one subject a day and see how that works, and then adjust it if needed. I really hope you enjoyed this first Plan With Me video. Let me know if there's anything else you would like me to incorporate into the next one. I plan to make these every month for you to follow along. I never really know what you'd like to see in my process, so I'd love to hear your feedback on that below. I hope you all have an amazing start to your September, and I will see you next time for another digital planning video. Bye!